Welcome again, guys. Welcome again, guys. Yeah, the audio quality is good. So, sorry about that. So, as you can see, we'll be conducting a project review session today, and yeah, the project name is literally clear in the screen. It is Redbelly. Okay, so we'll be discussing everything regarding this, and yes, we'll be revealing what we can. And as you can see, their goal was only around raising 12,500 GD. Instead, how much they have raised, you can see just the numbers. Okay, so it is around 20,572,530 GT, and right now 1 GT is trading at $17. So you can imagine the amount. Okay, just imagine the amount. And here you can see the progress bar, and it is like 164,580.24%. That is huge. Okay, so it is just because their goal was only around 12,500 GT, but they raised too much. And you can see the support account as well. It is around 71,855. So that is huge, and that's why this project seems promising, okay, to me. And yeah, we'll be revealing everything about it, okay? So hang in there, and yes, we will conduct the project review session. But before that, I need to show you one post, okay? So from decrypt.co, there is a post like Gate.io milestones propel Gate token to new all-time high in December. So that is a sponsored post from Gate.io. So yes, that's why I'm sharing with you guys. So you guys need to know, and as you all know that Gate token, I mean GT coin has reached its all-time high in recent days. That means in December. Okay, and yeah, recently yesterday it broke its all-time high again, and currently trading at $17. Okay, so that is a huge milestone for Gate token. Okay, and along with Gate IO. Okay, so I would like to congratulate them first. Okay, and yes, they should go ahead. Okay, so here you can see that surging user numbers, sports sponsorships, and the platform's December reserves report have underpinned gains for its native token. A native token means GT token. Okay, so its name is Gate token. So it is too much popular in recent days. Okay, so you guys will know. And if you follow the chart, you'll find out why it is so much popular. Okay, so it is easy to transact, and yeah, it has so much functionality. And yes, as we will be discussing a startup project, and you all are here to participate in startup project, and what is startup project and what is the benefit of it. So yes, everything actually connects these things with gate token. Okay, so yes, it is the future. Gate token is the future of Gate.io. So here you can see exchange Gate.io's native token Gate token hit an all-time high of 14.01 in December. The number has changed already. Okay, so it reached already $70. Okay, so power data from CoinGecko amid surging user numbers for the platform and the release of its December reserve report. And Abu Ahmed says something in his in Arabic. Unfortunately, the translator is not working. Okay, and I'm really sorry about that. Okay, so amid a wider slump in crypto market, Git token has retreated from its all-time high to a current value of 13.07. Okay, according to CoinGecko data, the native token of Gate chain GD is used to pay transaction fees as well as offering benefits including VIP tier, escalating, and trading fee debit. Okay, so there is so many functionality. Okay, so the token's rise over the past month comes amid surging user numbers on Gate.io, alongside high-profile sports sponsorship deals and December reserve report that saw the platform set industry benchmarks. Fine. And at the start of the month, the platform released its December reserve report, revealing that its reserves had hit a record high of 9.566 billion and a reserve ratio of 123.91%, exceeding the 120% average level of leading industries. So that is a huge milestone. That is a huge milestone. And Gate Ion's excess reserves also topped 1.846 billion according to the report, increasing by 68.89% to set a record high for the platform with an excess reserve with an excess reserve ratio of 23.91%. So here you can see in an official AMA on December 13, GateIO's chief business officer Kevin Lee revealed that the platform's reserve fund has exceeded 10 billion. Can you imagine? The fourth largest globally in the sector. Lee added that the exchange is continuously enhancing its security protocols to provide a more transparent and reliable trading environment for its users. Okay, that's what the users need. Okay, that's what the users need. So days later, Gate.io surpassed 20 million uh, registered users, with a spokesperson for the platform commenting that the milestone marked is outstanding competitiveness in the global market. Okay, and Gate Token's December gains have built on the platform's success in recent months. In August, Gate.io became the official sleeve sponsor of Soccer Club Internazionale Milano. I hope you guys are all familiar with that, the team. Okay, so it is from Liga Italia. Okay, so with its logo gracing the playing kits, the men's, women's, and under 20 teams, you can see the official post. Okay, so Gate.io is thrilled to announce our partnership as the official slip sponsor for FC Internazionale Milano. Let's redefine the fan experience with Web3 Tech and conquer the new season together. So yes, there will be some fan activity through Web3 technology. So at the time, Git.io founder and CEO Dr. Lin Han said that the partnership aligns with our commitment to innovation and community engagement. adding that we are excited to bring new and exciting experiences to Inter fans around the world. The collaboration will see the partners collaborate on exclusive content, joint marketing activations, co-branded merchandise, and opportunities for fans to connect both on and off the field. Final enough, K.I remains committed to ensuring the security of user funds and strengthening its brand's influence. A spokesperson said for the platform told Decrypt, okay, and they added that its efforts would help solidify its position as a key industry player and further reinforce its leadership in the market. Okay, let's see how far can Get Token go and Get.io reach. Okay, so all the very best luck. Okay, and yes, go ahead and I will support till the end. I will definitely support till the end, and I think my peers also thinks the same as well. Okay, so that is all about the Gate.io's milestone. Okay, new milestone, and they actually posted a sponsored post on decrypt.co. So yes, it has some weight in it. Okay, so it is actually a good milestone, large milestone, huge milestone, whatever you say. But yes, they are growing so rapidly. Okay, so I'm supporting them, and I will support till the end. Okay, and that's it. On this post. Okay, so let's move on to our today's project review. Okay, so here you can see the project name is Redbelly. Okay, then here are some details. Okay, so and as you can see, it is showing lucky draw. Okay, uh, and Rachel says trendy coins. Yes, trendy coin is RBNT. Okay, so as I'm doing a project review, obviously this coin will be trendy. Okay, so red belly coin will be a trendy coin very soon enough. Okay, so after 6 hours you will find out why it is trendy. Okay, so as always we start with the project introduction. Okay, so here you can see the name is the project name is red belly, but and the token name is RBNT. Okay, so let's see what is inside the project introduction. Okay, so Red Belly Network is the world's fastest and formally verified blockchain developed at the University of Sydney in collaboration with CSIRO, okay? I mean CSIRO, the Australian National Science Agency. Redbill enables asset issuers to build digital registries, creating a single source of truth for entire asset classes on chain and facilitating the creation of new structured financial products from tokenized assets. We work with challenger brand asset issuers who have established network effects and assets, reducing issue. Okay, so and I think it is kind of incomplete here. Okay, so we'll be finding out the total or overall introduction very closely. Okay, so till then we will have some short introduction with about the founder. Okay, so here you can see the founder is Professor Vincent Gramoli. Okay, so founder and CTO. So here is a short introduction. Vincent Gramoli, Red Belly Network's founder and CTO, is recognized for his contributions to distributed computing and blockchain technology, including the development of scalability Redbelly blockchain with prestigious affiliations and future fellowship. Okay, so his work spans critical security improvements in Ethereum to influential roles in scientific conferences. Okay, and the owner says, hello, the owner, what a nice name. And please me. Raja says yes. Okay, and Lushtago says, can you send me red packet? It is already up. Okay, so just click on it and grab it. So here you can see the information for startup. Okay, so the unlock rule is 100% unlock as well as okay, and the startup supply is only 500k RBNT. Okay, and the startup purchase price is 0 GT. That means you don't have to pay for anything on it. Okay, you don't have to pay for anything. Obviously, you need to hold GT. Okay, so we'll find out why you need to hold GT. Okay, so as it is a GT holder exclusive airdrop, okay, you'll find out very soon. Okay, you can see that GT holders exclusive. That means you need to be a GT holder. Okay, you need to be a GT holder, and obviously, if you are a GT holder, uh, you will you will get some reward from this project if you enroll for it. And yes, there is a requirement. As far as I know, you need to hold at least 10 GT to get a guaranteed airdrop from this project or from all the GT holders exclusive project. And if you are holding less than 10 GT, okay, fine, then you will have to wait. Okay, and because there will be a lucky draw, those who have less GT, I mean, uh, less than 10 GT, so they will be placed in a lucky draw, and if you are lucky enough, you will be getting tokens. Okay, so you'll be getting shares, and based on your shares, you'll be getting tokens. So here's the highlight and vision. Okay, so Redbelly network integrates full user identity and accountability at the transaction layer. Okay, protecting user PLL with zero knowledge proofs, ZKP, okay, and verified credentials. This ensures proper licensing, jurisdictions, compliance, and eliminates the need for repetitive KYC processes. Okay, fine. And compliance is automatically enforced and customizable by asset class and jurisdictions. So removing the need for offline registries and paper-based checks. Okay, fine enough. Fine enough. And here is the token economics. Okay, so RBNT is a gas token for Redbelly network blockchain. So it is a gas token. Okay, so you need to hold it just only to pay the gas fees. Okay, and yes, obviously, as it is a gas project and gas token, definitely you need to buy later. Okay, so if you are participating on Redbelly affiliated things, so definitely the gas fee will be in RBNT tokens. So then you need to buy that, and obviously later the buying price will be higher. Okay, so if you are intelligent enough, you will do what you want to do, what you need to do. Okay, so the technical overview here is like Redbelly network is the first formally verified layer 1 blockchain developed in collaboration with the University of Sydney and CSIRO and Australian National Science Agency. It achieves 20,000 transactions per second with instant finality and zero loss on the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM). The blockchain enables the compliant tokenization of real-world assets. It was recently granted US patent. Okay, so the number is 1209324 Okay, so in case anything legal activity happens, so yes, you can this hash number. Okay, but the token allocation, okay, that is what the user base want to know. Okay, so you can see 37.1% for the ecosystem and community, okay, so incentives and driving network effects, and 3% for the governance DAO, okay, so funding governance activities, and 10% for the team, okay, continued development and incentives, 2% USYD and CSIRO, okay, and co-developers of our core innovation, okay, definitely you need to keep them, okay, and 14.9% for private sales, okay, contributions from early bakers, 13% for seed, okay, early stage contributors, and 20% for reserve long-term development and sustainability, okay, so those are the early stage contributors will be getting 30%, 13% airdrop, okay? So, and detailed stuff are not there, okay? So, as it is a GT holder exclusive airdrop, and you guys may be wondering what is going on. Those who are new and those who are, I guess, very new to Gate token. I mean Gate.io and Gate.io streaming platform. So those who are new and do not know how to participate in Gate.io startup and what is actually Gate.io startup. So yes, I will be answering some questions. Okay, so they provided their answers and the questions alongside. Okay, so I'll be discussing that, and these are for the newcomers, okay, and those who are experienced and those who know, you can avoid that, okay. So here you can see the startup facts section, what is startup and how you can actually participate in startup. Everything will be discussed right now, okay. So on the startup facts section, you'll find out that what is startup, okay. So Gate.io startup is the world's largest token launch platform where users can discover potential projects, participate in startup subscription, and receive token airdrops. Startup allocates pep 008 says Adam the Black Cat. Yeah, thanks. Okay, yes, black lab for you. And eligible users can claim a certain number of shares. The more shares you can claim, the more tokens you receive, okay. So here is some information about VIP free airdrop, okay. So it is not mandatory for us today, okay, so but I'll be discussing something on it, okay. So how can I be eligible to participate in startups, okay. So obviously make sure you have completed the KYC2 verification, and obviously you must need to hold at least 10 USD in your spot balance, okay. So how many shares can I place? And it is only for the VIP free airdrop, okay. So if you are non-VIP users, that means your VIP level is 0. Definitely you'll be placed in a lucky draw, okay. You'll be placed in a lucky draw system, and from VIP 1 you will be getting a guaranteed token. So from VIP 1 it starts with 20 shares and it ends with at 8,000 shares for VIP 10 to VIP 16. That is huge, okay. So those who are at this VIP levels, so definitely getting the huge benefit, okay. And yes, make sure to level up your VIP level, okay, upgrade your baby level. And how many tokens can I receive? There is a formula, okay. So tokens received equals to shares subscribed multiplied by tokens per share multiplied by distribution ratio, okay. So here is an example, like if you subscribe for 5 shares and the tokens per share is 1000, while the distribution ratio is of startup is 0.001, so you can receive like there is a small mistake, okay. It will be 5, okay, as they mentioned. If you subscribe for 5 shares, it will be 5 here, okay. So 5 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 0.001 equals to what? 5 tokens. So you'll be getting 5 tokens. So do I need to pay for the startup subscription? Are there any trading features? No. So if I have subscribed, am I guaranteed to receive tokens in the end? Okay, all VIP users are guaranteed to receive the tokens, but those who are the non-VIP users, they will be placed in a lucky draw system, and if they are lucky enough, they will be getting tokens. Okay, and the system will decide, okay, who to reward or not. So is the startup participation on first and first served basis? No, the answer is no. Everyone is treated equally here. Okay, so do I need to keep a sufficient balance in my account to participate in startup? Absolutely not. Okay, so for VIP pre-airdrop, you don't have to uh, keep any balance. Okay, no sufficient balance is needed. So how many times can I participate in startups? Okay, basically for a single startup, you can only participate once. Okay, definitely your account should be KYC verified. Okay, and you can actually participate in multiple startups at the same time. Okay, and when will I get startup tokens? Obviously, before the launch of that token. Okay, so if my baby level is upgraded after subscription, will I receive more airdrops? So here is the answer. Like if the baby level increases, the subscription shares at the time of subscription will be used for calculation. So that means the answer is clearly no. So they will actually calculate the subscription share at the time of subscription. Okay, so can I change my subscription shares? VIP users will be getting the maximum shares. Okay, so you cannot increase that, but you can use startup vouchers. Okay, to get enough uh, shares. Okay, and Omom says hello friend. Yeah, welcome to the stream. And today we're doing a project review. Okay, on Redbelly token. In case you are late. So you guys, if you guys are late, you can actually click on that AI button, which is situated at the bottom of your phone screen. Okay, so it will summarize the whole stream. So you will find out what happened earlier. Okay, and what we have discussed earlier. And Hummingbird says, should you hold or sell for this token? Yeah, you need to hold because it is a gas token. Okay, so you will only be able to pay the gas fees through this token only. So definitely it is necessary. So here you can see how much airdrop can non-baby users receive when participating in startup. Okay, so it is basically depending on the project subscription. Okay, and yes, if there is a available shares left for the lucky draw players. Okay, so yes, those who will be the winners of the lucky draw system, they will be rewarded. Okay, so and can non-baby users use startup vouchers to participate in startup? Answer is yes, definitely you can. And can non-baby users participate in startup airdrop multiple times? As I said earlier, definitely you can. Okay, so I said earlier that you can only participate on a single startup once, but you can actually participate multiple startups at the same time. And here you can see about GT holder exclusive airdrop, and our today's airdrop project is based on GT holders exclusive. Okay, so definitely you will find out the answers here. Okay, and you guys need to be sincere right now. Okay, so it is based on the project. Okay, so let's find out what is the GT holder exclusive airdrop subscription. Okay, so the actually the definition lies in the name. So you can find out GT holder exclusive airdrop subscription is an exclusive subscription opportunity provided by Gate.io startup for GT token holders, allowing them to participate in early stage project investments. So and I'm going to add that uh, as you can see that if the name is GT holder exclusive, definitely you need to hold GT. Okay, for that. Okay, so you will find out. So what are the requirements to participate in GT holder exclusive subscription? Okay, so definitely make sure you have completed the KYC2 verification and you are holding at least 10 USD in your spot account. Okay, and here are the rules. Okay, so hold more than 10 GT, you will be qualified for the guaranteed airdrop, 100% guaranteed airdrop. And if you're holding less than 10 GT, yeah, you'll be placed in a lucky draw system. And if you are holding less than 10 GT, definitely you need to hold at least 10 USD in your spot balance. Okay, so then you will be qualified for the GT holder exclusive airdrop. I mean, you will be placed in a lucky draw, not the guaranteed one. Okay, so yes, if you are lucky enough, you will be getting the reward. Okay, so can I participate in multiple GT holder exclusive airdrop subscription at the same time? The answer is yes. Okay, get user says, should you hold or sell? Should you wait or buy now? Okay, it's up to you. I know you are spamming the questions, default questions. Okay. So can I participate in? Okay, we answered that question. Is there a lockup period for the subscribed GT tokens? No. Answer is no. No lockup period. And how many shares can I claim? Yeah. So okay. So obviously it will vary from different projects, project to project. Okay. So if you are holding greater than 10 GT, okay, definitely you'll be getting 100% guaranteed airdrops. And here you can see each user can claim up to 3000 shares per project, okay, provided they hold at least 10 GT. So yes, you can get a minimum idea, but the shares changes based on the projects, okay. So and those who are holding less than 10 GT, I guess they will be participating in a lucky draw system. Okay, and obviously you must need to hold at least 10 USD of spot assets, okay, to qualify for that lucky draw system as well. Okay, and how many tokens can I receive? Okay, there is a formula like token received equals to shares subscribed multiplied by tokens per share multiplied by distribution ratio. Okay, so that is pretty much like the VIP free airdrop. Okay, the formula, but it will only be applicable on GT holders exclusive airdrop. And Gate user says take love from Bangladesh. Yeah, thanks a lot. Love you too, brother. And will my token allocation decrease if my GT holding at the time of token distribution is lower than it was at the time of participation? The answer is yes. So make sure you are holding the same amount of GT when you subscribe for that project. Okay. So if I have participated, am I guaranteed to receive tokens in the end? Uh, the answer was previously given, but I'm saying again that if you are holding more than 10 GT, definitely you will be getting 100% guaranteed airdrop. But if you are holding less than 10 GT, you'll be placed in a lucky draw system. And on top of it, you must need to hold at least 10 USD. Okay, so that's a cruel requirement, by the way. But yes, those who are experienced, I guess it is just easy for them. Okay, and can I use startup vouchers or startup stars to participate in GT holder exclusive free airdrop? The answer is no. Startup stars are only available for VIP free airdrops. Okay, so can I use star? Okay, we have answered that. And when will I know the results of my subscription? The answer is pretty simple, just before the launch of that particular token. Okay, so do not panic. And pre-order is also another startup program, okay, offered by Gate.io. So there is a special requirement for that. Okay, so you must need to be at least VIP level 3. Okay, and obviously you must need to hold at least 100 GT. Okay, and currently per GT token price is $17. So you are getting the idea that you must need to hold at least $170 worth of GT. Okay, uh, it is the least requirement. It is the least requirement. Okay, so the highest requirement is like that. Okay, so if you are from VIP 10 to VIP 16, your GT holding requirement is like 1500 GT. So you can imagine the numbers here. Okay, and yes, obviously the reward is also higher. Okay, so you'll be getting 8000 shares if your requirements are like that. Okay, and you can basically pre-order them. Okay, you can basically pre-order them, and there are some special cases. Okay, so you can find out in this website. Okay, I have provided this website in the video's description. Okay, and another thing is offered from Gate.io is the startup prime. Okay, so it is a premium service, I'll be saying. Okay, so uh, if you are non-VIP users, those who are non-VIP users, I guess they are upset that all the time they will be placed in lucky draw system. But here in this startup prime section, you can basically purchase shares for non-VIP users as well. Okay, so nothing to worry about here. And there's a frequent question that do I need to keep a sufficient balance in my account to participate in startup prime? Definitely, because it is a premium service. Obviously, you have to pay, and to pay, you need to keep sufficient balance in your account. Otherwise, it will be cancelled automatically. Okay. So here's the system here. Okay, as I said, that those who are non-baby users can actually purchase 5 shares. Okay, so nothing to worry about, and do not be sad. Okay, that all the time you'll be placed in a lucky draw system. But here in the premium service, you can actually buy shares. Okay, so if you are non-VIP users, and the requirement, I mean the accessibility increases when your VIP level increases. So make sure to upgrade your VIP levels. Okay, to get the most out of Gate.io. Okay, so that's it. These are the startup programs offered by Gate.io. Okay, first one is VIP free airdrop, and later it comes GT holder exclusive airdrop, then it comes pre-order, and lastly the startup prime. Okay, so these are projects offered, the type of projects offered by Gate.io, and here is a detailed instruction how you can actually participate in Gate.io startup. Okay, so let's find out. And there is a short video, by the way, but I am not playing that video. I'll be discussing visually. Okay, so it will actually help you, and visual representation will last longer in our memory. Okay, so here we can see some general steps. Okay, so for startup airdrop, general startup airdrop, it is like log into your GitHub account, go to startup page, hold at least 10 USD in spot assets, then click on zero free to claim. Okay, and for GT holder exclusive airdrop, the steps are pretty similar. Okay, log into your GitHub account, go to startup page, hold at least 10 GT. Okay, here you need to hold 10 GT and just click on hold GT and claim free. So let's see the tutorial here. Okay, so these are the images. So here you will find this logo. Okay, just click on it and you will find the startup option. Okay, so the logo for the startup option is airdrop. Okay, so you will be familiarized with that one. Okay, so just click on startup and it will take you to that page, I mean that one. Okay, i I previously loaded that page. Okay, so if you click on that, it will take you to that page, and these are the ongoing projects. Okay, so you can see that. So this is the startup official page. Okay, and later you can just click on any available ongoing startup project which is eligible for which you are eligible for. Okay, just click on the zero free to claim and you will be redirected to that page. And here obviously before claiming now, okay, you need to tick that option that you have read and agreed to the subscription agreement. Okay, and yes, you can read the subscription agreement, but I prefer not to. I actually do not do that because I actually trust Get.io, and they are very user holic. Okay, so they just want to reward the users. Okay, and for the GT holder exclusive airdrop, you will find this option, hold GT and claim free. And yes, here as well you will have to tick that option like I have read and agreed to the subscription agreement. Okay, so make sure to tick that and then click on claim now. And if you do not tick that, the claim now button will not appear. Okay, and this is for the app users. Okay, so just go to your app and click on your profile, and you'll find the startup logo at the finance section. Okay, just go to finance section, and in the recent update the startup logo is available at the start screen, so you don't have to find it manually. Okay, so it is already on your screen. Sorry about that. So here the startup page, from your phone you will find this option like claim free airdrop, and it will redirect to that one. So zero free to claim. Okay, so pretty much similar to the web page as well. Okay, and for GT holder exclusive it will be like claim now, and obviously before claiming you need to tick on that I have read and agreed to the subscription agreement. Okay, and for GT holder exclusive airdrop it is the same. Okay, the process is same, just same. And yes, all you as you have subscribed for multiple startup projects, so you may wonder which projects you are getting reward from, or if the subscription is successful or not. Just click on that subscription history and you will find out what are the ongoing subscription and what which have ended earlier. Okay, so nothing to worry about. And these are the added features. Okay, so first one is claim all option. So it is a handy option, I'll be saying, because it is so useful. It is very useful to me. In my opinion it is too much useful. And if I click on that like claim all button, it will basically subscribe to all the available startup projects and which I am eligible for. Okay, so I don't need to click on each project manually. Okay, so it is actually a handy feature from Gate.io. and and yes, it is both available at this option is both available for web version and the phone as well. Okay, and here in the web version you will find this option beside the all button. Okay, so here you can see the all option, and the claim all button will be there because I clicked the claim all button before I do the live stream, and I'm really sorry about that. And on the phone, on your phone you will find the claim all button beside the three dot menu. Okay, and another option is like auto convert to GT. Okay, so it is also one of the most useful features. Okay, so most of the times you will face what that a project launches, and the token of this project just the price of the token just drops. Okay, so you face what you face actually uh sudden loss. So to prevent that you can set this option on. Okay, auto convert to GT. So it will do what that before the launch of the token, after the launch of the token, at the very first second it will convert that token to GT. So you don't have to worry about the price. If the price drops, nothing will happen because it will just convert that token into GT at the listing price. So it is one of the best option. Okay, I just turn it on all the time. Okay, so here at the web version you will find that option just by clicking on more. If you click on more you will find that auto convert to GT option, and on your phone it is also available. Just click on the three dot menu, you will find that auto convert to GT option. So that's it. This is a clear cut tutorial for the startup projects. Okay, and Hida 99 sends me flowers. Okay, thanks a lot, and it was needed. Okay, let's go to the official announcement. Okay, so as we lacked the introduction earlier on the short introduction page or the training page, but here it is a brief introduction. Okay, so we were waiting for that. So the official announcement is like a Redbelly RBNT Gate.io startup free offering GT holder exclusive airdrop 500,000 RBNT free of charge. Okay, so that is the title. So let's find out what is inside the post as well. Okay, so this Redbelly RBNT aka will only be available for GT subscriptions. Please be aware that the participation user funds will not be deducted at the end of the Redbelly subscription. Okay, so as I said earlier, definitely you don't have to pay for anything on this project. Make sure you are holding at least 10 GT, and if you are holding less than 10 GT, make sure you are holding at least 10 USD in your spot account. That will ensure that you are qualified for this project. And yes, those who are holding less than 10 GT, they will be placed in a lucky draw system, and based on your luck you'll be getting some shares, and your shares will determine how many tokens you are getting. Okay, and here is a small introduction. Okay, so Redbelly Network is the world's first formally verified blockchain developed at the University of Sydney in collaboration with CSIRO, the Australian National Science Agency. Redbelly enables asset issuers to build digital registries, creating a single source of truth for entire asset classes on chain and facilitating the creation of new structured financial products from tokenized assets. We work with challenger brand asset issuers who have established network effects and assets, reducing issuer risk by promoting accountability and ensuring clean liquidity by default. So that is good of a promise. Okay, so let's see if they keep the promise or not. Okay, it will be known to all, but yes, as it is an established one, people have too much faith on it, and the result is there. Okay, so the result is there. You can find out that their goal was to raise around only 12,500 GT, but they raised around 20 million GT. So that is the accountability here. Okay, so the token information is like token name is Redbelly. Okay, token symbol is RBNT, and the maximum supply is 10 billion. Okay, yeah, it is huge, I guess. And token type is mainnet token, and smart contract address is Redbelly rootscan.io. So let's find out what is inside this website. So here you can see it is a Redbelly Explorer. Okay, so it catches the transactions and registers it in the scanner. Okay, so you see the RBNT price is currently at 0.3949. Okay, so I guess it will be listed like that on gate.io as well. So you know the token price. Okay, so you'll be getting corresponding airdrop based on that. Okay, so the token distribution ratio and unlocking rules, we have discussed it at the introduction page as well. Okay, so for more details, please refer to that website. Okay, so it is from Medium. So here is that post. Okay, Redbelly Network building the future of tokenomics with RBNT. Okay, so the tokenomics of RBNT, here you can find community and ecosystem first. Okay, let's see if they keep their promise or not. Transparency and long-term growth at the core of RBNT. So team fast, no team fast out. Okay. Uh, utility driven, long-term focus. Fine. And we have read the token allocation on the introduction page as well, so we don't need to read it again. And circulating supply, transparency in action. Fine. And we have made available the following token chart, token release schedule. Okay. Mainnet and bound. So with over 25 billion in assets already on chain, with a further 45 billion to follow over the next fortnight, this sets a strong foundation for a vibrant and engaged community. Okay, fine. So why RBNT leading the RWA revolution? Okay, so there is answer. So Redbelly network empowers real-world asset issuers to create digital registries. Okay, establishing a single source of truth for entire asset classes on chain. Okay, so yes, if you believe in this potential of RWS, RBNT puts you at the heart of the action. Don't just watch, lead the way. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the post they actually uh, posted on Medium. Okay, medium.com. And later, what we have is the official website. Okay, so that is the official website from Redbelly Network. Okay, and I think the okay, hold on, hold on, just hold on a bit. So here you can see a small introduction in this website. Okay, their system is much more promising, you know. So here it is written like enabling asset issuers to tokenize and trade compliant on-chain structured products. Okay, so here are some details. Okay, treasuries and bonds, private credit, carbon credits, derivatives and commodities, insurance, real estate, so on. Okay, so here you can see the gold. Okay, gold bars. So they are hinting something here. Okay, I'm not going that much deeper. Our network, what we offer, okay, you can see asset tokenization and the patented scalable L1 public blockchain, community and grants. About Redbelly, okay, here you can see RWA issuer to DM, then RWA investor. So so it is just a simple network. Okay, so they just make the work so simple. So here you can see our network, a network of clean liquidity enables asset managers to establish digital registries as a shared source of truth. Okay, and investors can construct bespoke tokenized portfolios. Okay, and patented innovative super block scalability technology enables access to a global pool of investors. Okay, fine. So these are the highlights, I guess. And this is the team. Okay, so executive leaders, advisors, product and engineer, research and innovation, growth and community. Okay, so meet the team. And he's the founder. Okay, and CTO, Vincent Gramoli. So we got a short introduction from the introductory page. Okay, and this is their ecosystem. Okay, highlight of their ecosystem. Okay, so commercial real estate, number one global RW asset issued on chain, 40.5 million transactions processed on testnet, and tokenized structured products, um, verifiable credentials, 223.0k plus wallets created. Nine, patented verified compliant, 249 nodes running at 20k plus transactions per second. That is huge. Okay, that is huge. So Redbelly partners are nothing details. Okay, so these are case studies. So if you are if you want to know further details, just click on these videos and get the idea. Okay, and these are the news and updates. Okay, so these are the recent news. Okay, partnership announcement with Fireblocks. So that's it. So this is a good organized website. Okay, I'll be saying. And later we need to read the white paper. Okay, so it is also important because for any project, white paper is the base. Okay, so if anyone do research, what they actually read the white paper. Okay, so let's read out. And there's a disclaimer, so make sure to read that if you have that much time. And this is the summary. Okay, so we got some idea. Okay, so we don't need this kind of detailed structure. We just need the idea. Okay, so the Redbelly network overview. So let's go visit that. So here is the Redbelly network overview, and the first they mention the problem. Okay, so for decades we have seen growing trends and financialization of centralization. So they just want to remove this stuff and make it a decentralized way. Okay, so you don't have to verify your KYC multiple times. Okay, so it will be in a secure place just for once. And a lack of accountability. Okay, so they showed the lackings of current blockchains. Okay, so they will provide more offers and more benefits. So that's why they are comparing to them with the current blockchains. So the importance of regulation. Okay, fine. And they bring the solution. Okay, so the solution is the Redbelly network. Okay, and it's open finance platform that commodities and shares DLT infrastructure for transacting with accountability and transparency. Okay, so making accessible to everyone the automation of economic relationships between known entities with known means of exchange informed and held accountable by known data. So they actually provide detailed things here. Okay, so yes, the project, all the projects should be like this. Okay, so they need to be clear about their goals, visions, and writing things. Okay, and the accountable blockchain. Okay, that is one of the promising things for this project. Okay, the Red Bull network has been designed with accountability at its core. Okay, and DBFT consensus algorithm combined with polygraph. Fine. Our novel proof of fraud protocol ensures high performance, security, and accountability. So Redbelly does not fork, and if a participant attempts to fork the blockchain, Redbelly automatically constructs an undeniable proof of fraud. Okay, so uh, if you have this kind of intentions in your mind that you will do some fraudulent activity here, okay, this is a clear warning to you guys. Okay, so so do not do this type of things. Okay, these are obviously, first of all, these are unethical stuff, and unless you are doing these things for any kind of need, obviously you will be accountable for that. Okay, and these are the known participants, so you guys can read that. Okay, so they kept everything so detailed. Okay, so I cannot find my actual information here clearly. Okay, known finality with performance and accountability. Okay, fine, and these are the known costs. So basically fiat currency is available for only USD, none other than that, and the gas fees will be cut with only RBNT token, none other than RBNT token. So these are the known data and known relationships. Basically, they are meaning that established infrastructures. Okay, known means of exchange. Okay, most high value real world financial relationships will settle using fiat currencies. So they will be bringing more fiat currencies. So that is a good sign. Okay, that is a good sign. And the Redbelly network topology. Okay, so here is the topology. You can see core platform components are like compose. It is on the create section. Aperture, verify, wallet, interact, pay, connect, transact, ID, connect, authenticate, policy engine, permission. Okay, so and the supporting components are like open source templates, RBNT app store, first party Oracle services. Okay, fine. And there will be the Redbelly blockchain is like EVM interface, SEVM, polygraph accountability protocol, superblock optimization, DBFT consensus algorithm network. And their node star infrastructure is Oracle. Okay, and networking. Okay, so available end-to-end network bandwidth, network latency, fine. The Redbelly blockchain and ITFAQ 1133 sends me flowers again. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Have a wonderful day. Okay, and here's the blockchain architecture. Okay, so it is like anyone can run either a consensus or a storage node. Okay, so the nodes are like SEVM. Okay, and DBFT. Here is the DBFT. You can see that democratic Byzantine fault tolerance. Okay, so I guess that is an act as far as I know. And superblock optimization, shared verification. Okay, it is also needed. Polygraph and proof of fraud. And as I said earlier, they will detect you if you do things like that. I mean, do uh, fraudulent activity. They will actually detect you with ease. Okay, so scalable Ethereum virtual machine, interoperability, asset bridges, role decoupling, validation reduction, transaction fees. Okay, so on. And later sharding. Okay, and here you can see the core platform components. First one is ID connect. So there will be a secret or a pin and a identity token that exists only on the user's device and a biometric factor. Okay, something the user has. So definitely it will be fingerprint or other stuff. And if you consider the latest technology, they actually scan cornea. Okay, and there is an identity verification, identity recovery, multi-user accounts, policy management and delegation engine, pay connect. Okay, fine. So yes, obviously you have to connect to the payment system if you do transactions here. Okay, so a node on stable coins and CBDCs. Okay, so you can read that. Ricardian contracts, products, supporting components are like oracles. So their node is based on Oracle, as they mentioned earlier. Open source templates are there. And RBN the App Store. Okay, yes. Recently, the App Store users and the use of the App Stores are uh, increasing day by day. Okay, so yes, they are taking this opportunity and they are promoting them at that place. Okay, and here is the tokenomics. Okay, you can see, and category is only gas. Okay, so you can only use that for gas, paying gas. Okay, and yes, if you are holding this token, definitely you will be participating in governance decisions. That means you can actually vote on this in decision. And yes, you can actually stake. Okay, by staking you can get multiple tokens, other tokens. Okay, and you can also shard, and there will be incentives and rewards if you are holding. Okay, And here for consensus node, there will be two interaction like stacking and gas. Okay, and for SCBM node, it is also the same, stacking and gas. Okay, Oracle provided stacking. Third participant start initiation. Okay, initiation. And governance member delegate is like governance voting, and obviously the gas fees. And use case are incentive gas. Okay, and product user are incentive. This is also use case. Okay, and allocations are like that, and we read that earlier on the introduction page, so nothing detailed here, and but the things are detailed here. Okay, so token release schedule, this is there. Okay, and ecosystem and governance, the Redbelly network governance DAO, Redbelly network private limited, governance participants, consensus node operators, SCVM node operators. Okay, so these are ecosystem governance responsibilities, and they have added the references at the end. Okay, so that's it about the white paper. Okay, we as far we got to know. Okay, so where are we at? Okay, here we can see the Redbelly startup subscription rules. Okay, so the duration is like December 27th 5 a.m. to December 29th 5 a.m. UTC. Okay, that means only few hours left. Okay, so just be quick and book your orders. Okay, and the trading start time is December 29th 9 a.m. UTC. Okay, so as you can see, the trading start time is also very near, and the trading pair will be RBNT USDT. Okay, none other than RBNT USDT. And subscription token is GT, and subscription price is 0 GT, so you don't have to pay for anything. And subscription total is goal is like 12,500 GT, but they actually gathered around 20 million GT. So it is one of the most popular projects in recent week. Okay, so the startup total supply is 500k RBNT, and unlock rule is 100% unlock. And here is the participation requirement. Okay, so users participating in GT holder exclusive airdrop will no longer be required to have an average GT holding of not less than 10 GT in the past 14 days. The recent count will be counted. Okay, and your asset balance will be deducted during the token distribution. Okay, please ensure your asset balance is not less than 10 GT, otherwise it may result in subscription failure. I don't know, they are talking about that. Okay, and the available shares of each project vary for different projects. Okay, so obviously refer to the official announcement of that particular project, and announcement results will be delivered before the launch. Okay, and yes, this thing you need to be careful about, so that the multiple accounts with the same KYC information when claiming startup shares will be deemed as a cheating behavior. Okay, and any cheating behavior is prohibited here. Okay, and in case of cheating, Gate.io reserves the right to disqualify the users involved and forfeit their rewards. So obviously it will affect your further startup projects. So definitely if you are facing this kind of issues, just contact with the support, and here you will find live agents. Okay, so contact with them and resolve your issue beforehand, and otherwise you will face the same issue for every startup projects. And if you are doing this on purpose, definitely stop doing that, and obviously you will be not getting anything because they have your IP, they have your all the details. Okay, so don't think you will oversmart them. Okay, and they are increasing their security day by day. So here is a small steps how you can actually participate. Log into your GitHub account, navigate to the startup page, ensure your GT holdings is not less than 10 GT. Then participate in the subscription. So there is a simple note here. Okay, so other rules remain unchanged. Please refer to this article. Okay, new rules take effect from April 25th 2024, and currently it is December, so Definitely only the new rules are applicable now, so nothing to worry about here. Okay. Okay. And wherein discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. So if you are using a translated app, I mean different language app, and if you find something um, unfamiliar, just refer to the English version. So just change your language, change your app language, and you will get to know the what is actually going on. And this is it. And GitHub Labs investment disclosure. GitHub Labs did not invest in Redbelly, I mean, aka RBNT. So don't have the wrong idea, okay? And Gate user says what is the entry level for BTC and ETH. But yeah, we are doing a project review. We're not doing any market analysis. So make sure to attend the market analysis sessions, okay? So Arif1989 says Assalamu alaikum, কেমন আছেন ভাই? কেমন আছেন আপনি ভাই? Okay, ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম, আমি ভালো আছি, আপনি কেমন আছেন? And today we are doing a project review, okay? So let's focus on it. And here is an attention, okay? So please be noted that we may restrict or prohibit the use of all or a portion of the services, including the participation in this event, game, or competition from restricted locations, including but not limited to the United Kingdom, United States of America, mainland China, Singapore, Canada, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Lithuania, Malaysia, Malta, Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Sudan, Syria, Crimea region, Spain, Luhansk, Donetsk, Netherlands, Bolivia, and so on. My goodness, there are a lot of countries here. And we may, in our sole and absolute discretion, elect to make the services or only part of the services available in certain jurisdictions. For more information regarding the restricted locations, please refer to that website. I mean, read the user agreement, okay? And we don't intend to solicit or conduct marketing towards customers in these restricted locations. So if you are facing this, obviously that will be as scamming, okay? So make sure to contact with them, contact with the authority or the official staff, and go to the support, okay? So just yes, the and their support, or I mean the live agents, are actually too active, and they actually resolve things very fast, okay? So there is a risk warning, okay? The project team does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than its startup sale price. So please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. So it is applicable for all crypto investors, okay? So don't invest beyond your financial capacity. So otherwise you'll fail in a short period of time, okay? So it is also applicable for any kind of sector, okay? So just invest that you can actually afford that amount to lose, okay? And if you cannot afford to lose, do not invest. Just wait for the right moment, or gather around your funds. And the startup project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risks, okay? So advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risks of crypto asset investment. The market volatility is high, and the price of a token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and marketing factors. Okay, so you need to keep that in mind. And users may not be able to withdraw all the purchase tokens due to the technical issues of the project or Gate.io team. Okay, so that's it. That's it on the official announcement, and we need to read those posts. Okay, so the startup new rules, these are the updated startup rules. We need to read that, and it is important, by the way. So here are the updates. I'm just heading towards the main things, okay? So main address in the startup participation rules for VIP users. Okay, so for airdrop projects, after subscription, sufficient balance is not required anymore, okay? And users who upgrade to VIP levels by holding assets will have their VIP level verified during the token distribution. Nothing to worry about that. Sorry. And rules for non-VIP users participating in startup. Obviously, you need to hold at least 10 USD in your spot account to participate. And other than that, you'll be placed in a lucky draw system, and if you are lucky enough, you'll be getting tokens. Okay, so make sure to check on the subscription history. Okay, so it is written like that. Okay, so I'm just summarizing the thing. Okay, so for airdrop projects, sufficient balance is not required anymore before token distribution. Okay, the airdrop tokens will be directly distributed to the spot wallet after the subscription ends. Non-VIP users who use startup vouchers to join the subscription will have their voucher benefits prioritized, and I'll be showing how you can actually get startup vouchers so easily just by inviting your friends and family. So just hanging there, I'll be showing that. And this is a short note. Okay, so the previous rule where non-VIP users were guaranteed to receive 3 shares of startup airdrop has been abolished in this upgrade. Okay, so after the upgrade, non-VIP users with spot assets of not less than $10 can directly participate and receive airdrops if they win. And all existing subscription shares rules for VIP users remain unchanged, and they are eligible to receive the airdrop with 100% guarantee. Okay, so the higher the VIP level, the more startup airdrop shares you are getting. Non-VIP users participating in startup subscriptions will follow the partial winning mechanism. That means the lucky draw system. Okay, and the new rules will take effect from August 25th. So, and everything is we have discussed on other sectors. Okay, so it's pretty similar to that. And later the VIP level stuff. Okay, so you need to know that because they updated the VIP level, the reward for VIP levels. Okay, so you can see for VIP free airdrop, if you are non-VIP users, previously you will be placed in a you were used to place in a lucky draw system, and later after the update you'll be placed in a lucky draw as well. So it is unchanged, but the inside mechanism is changed, I guess. And for baby one, previously the allocated shares were only 10, but after the update it is 20, and it increased over the levels. Okay, so at from baby 10 to baby 16, previously you were actually getting only 1500 shares, but after the update you're getting 8000 shares. So you can see the change here. Okay, so the reward amount here. And for startup prime you can actually purchase around 5 shares. Okay, and from baby 2 from baby 1 you can purchase 20 shares, and it is pretty much same as the VIP free airdrop, just a small change in the non-VIP user for the non-VIP users, because all non-VIP users can purchase shares here as well. Okay, and for pre-order the requirement starts from VIP level 3. Okay, and obviously your minimum GT holdings should be 100 GT, and your updated allocated shares are only 100. So this thing changes over time, I mean over level, over baby levels. And if your baby level is 10 to 16, your GT holding requirement is 1500 GT. Can you imagine that a 1 GT is trading at $17 right now, so you need to hold at least 1500 GT. So that is huge. Okay, so obviously if you are baby 10 to baby 16 user, definitely you afford this money. Okay, so allocated shares will be 8000. I mean you can purchase 8000 shares. So that's it. And here's a small note: the updated allocated shares of different baby levels will be applicable to all startup projects that start subscription after July 12th. And currently it is December. Obviously it is applicable. Okay. Okay, so the rule for the GT holding airdrop remain unchanged. So as our project is GT holder exclusive, so definitely there is no new rules. Okay, so nothing to worry about. and everything is same as other sectors. Okay, so we are at the very end. Okay, so as I promised, I'll be showing that how you can actually earn startup shares through inviting. Okay, so that is the page. Okay, and let's go to the project page. Okay, so here is the Redbelly project. You will find an option like invite and earn more. If you click on that, it will redirect you to that page. Okay, so here basically you do what? You will get your own invitation link and you can share it with your friends and family. And if you are an influencer, you can share it with your followers. Okay, so what will you get in return? You'll get like startup stars. Okay, so here are the simple steps. Okay, so invite friends on stars and swap stars for shares. That is what I was talking about, that you can swap your stars for shares. And yes, if you are getting enough shares, you can use that on VIP free airdrops, and based on your shares you are getting tokens. So the more shares you are holding, the more tokens you will be getting. That is a theory here. Okay, so let's there is a short fact. Okay, so what is startup star? Startup star is the exclusive reward for startup which can be used to swap extra shares of VIP free airdrop. Okay, every 10 stars can swap one share with a cap of 40,000 stars for a single project. Okay, so you can actually get around 4,000 shares for a single project. Okay, so how to earn startup stars? Okay, definitely you need to invite, and if your invitee's trading volume is more than $1,000, definitely you are getting a amount of stars. So the trading volume is calculated through this formula, like spot volume plus 40% of your futures volume. Okay, so how to swap startup stars? As you can see, there is a clear option. Okay, just click on swap now and it will redirect you to that page, startup page, and choose a choose your favorite project and swap your shares. Okay, can I receive startup stars every day? Obviously you can, if you invite every day. Okay, so if your invitees do trade every day. Can I claim both the VIP default shares of startup or startup vouchers and the startup stars swapping shares? Definitely. Is there a valid period for startup shares? They are always valid. And how many startup stars can I earn by inviting friends? Okay, it is pretty simple. Okay, so if your invited trading volume is more than less than $1,000, so you'll be getting only 0 stars. Okay, so basically you'll be getting nothing. And from if your invited trading volume is more than 1,000, so from 1,000 to 3,000 you will be getting 10 stars. Okay, so and you can swap that for one share. I mean, if you divide it with 10, what will you get? Only one. Okay, so this thing actually goes on, and if your trade invite trading volume is greater than 1.6 million dollars, then you will be getting 6,000 stars. Okay, and if you divide it by 10, definitely you're getting 600 shares. So you can swap these shares, or you can use these shares for a particular startup free airdrop. Okay, and you will be getting tokens based on that, other than relying on your luck. Okay, so this is the startup referral carnival. Just go to that page. Okay, just visit this by just clicking on invite and earn more. It is available on any project. Okay, you are participating, and you'll find this page and get your own link, invitation link, just clicking on invite now. And I have shared my invitation link in the description. Okay, so you can participate just by clicking on it, and it will be redirect to that page immediately. And and you can find your own link just by clicking that invite now, and just click on copy, and it will be copied in your clipboard. And you can also share the QR code as well. Okay, so there are a lot of options. Just share it with your friends and family and followers and grow furthermore. So let's find out what is the ongoing startup events. Okay, so here you can see the startup section. There are ongoing startup projects. These are like Best Patent, Low Fee, Tau Cat, Cat Gold Miner, Redbelly, which we have uh, revealed everything about today, and Meow Cat. So these are the ongoing startup projects. And on the startup mining section, you will find out the already listed tokens and their mining platform here. Okay, so mining means you will just take corresponding tokens. So here you can see the requirements like gate token, bitcoin, and oil. So these are the three pools. So you can stake your, if you are holding this these coins, you can stake them and get corresponding oil tokens in return. And this thing continues. Okay, so and there is a thing, the single coin multi mining. And yes, it is basically the same. So here it is not single coin multi mining. So here you need to stack manually gt, and on single coin multi mining it will just stack the amount of gt you are holding, and it will not deduct that gt, okay, from your spot balance. So these are the single coin multi mining. And yes, you can also stack corresponding tokens to get that token instead just by stacking. Okay, so that are the things. And there are the last thing is startup task. Okay, so it is basically the easiest thing. Okay, and I prefer that very much. Okay, just click on any of them and just go to join now button. Okay, so here you will find a lot of tasks. Okay, so just by inviting you can actually get around 700 entries. That is huge. Okay, and there are so many simple tasks, so just click just complete them easily. You will only need only 5 minutes, okay, just to complete them. And if you complete them, you'll be getting corresponding entries, and based on your entries you'll be getting tokens. Okay, so make sure to participate in startup task. Okay, so it is the easiest one here. Okay, on startup events. So that is it, guys. And what we have covered so far, first of all, we were here to reveal everything about Redbelly. Okay, and later we actually discussed the sponsored post from Gate.io. Okay, so they're a new milestone of Gate token. Okay, and they mentioned that the my all-time high is like $14, but currently it is $17. So yes, I want to congratulate them again. Okay, and after that we read the introduction, the short introduction, and everything on Redbelly. Okay, we have found in the in that page. And after that we discussed what is Gator Startup and what is GT Holder exclusive free airdrop, what is VIP free airdrop, Startup Prime or pre-order. Okay, so we discussed everything. And later we also discussed that how you can actually participate in Gate.io startup. Okay, so yes, as you can see, it is startup. Definitely you can actually start from zero here. Okay, and later we did the official announcement, and we visited a sponsored post or post published in Medium for Redbelly. Okay, so it is also a good milestone for them, and we visited their website and we read the white paper published by them as well. So we got so many information about Redbelly. Okay, and later we discussed the updated startup rules and updated VIP rules, etc. And we shared the referral carnival thing. Okay, so it is one of the useful features. Just click on invite and earn, and you will be redirected to that page. Okay, and lastly we discussed on the ongoing startup events. So I guess it is a perfect project review session, I guess. And yeah, thanks. I would like to thank all of you for joining this session. And yeah, in case you guys don't know, I actually conduct regular market analysis sessions as well. So make sure to join them. Okay, and yes, follow for more. Okay, and I'd like to thank you again. Okay, so have a good day, and yeah, good morning to all of you. So see you guys on my regular market analysis streams. Okay, so you all are welcome there. Okay. So I'm closing the stream.